Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is I will be doing unboxing. So I'm gonna be showing all of them all at once in this video because it's pretty darn late. So I don't have time to edit a lot of videos. So yeah, that includes my June 2019 Boxycharm. So yeah, as well as I received a package from one certain brand here in the US. It's a popular brand. They have skincare and makeup lines. So yeah, if you're interested on what are the things that I'm gonna be showing today, then stay tuned or just please keep on watching. Okay, so the first box we've got right here is this one. This is by the brand, no, this is by Influenster. I've received products from them before. It used to be like makeup, and this one right here is their summer box. So the first item we've got right here is this one. This is a press-on nails, and this is by the brand Impress. So I've used this once, and this is good when you are in a rush. So yeah, it's ready to go kind of thing. You don't need to clean your nails, just press it in there and yeah, you're ready to go. Now the next one we've got right here is this product, and this is for ingrown hairs, razor balms and shaving waxing. So it's by the brand Tan Skin. I haven't used this one yet. And yeah, that's the second thing I've got. And the third one is this lotion right here. This is by the brand SheaMoisture. It's a raw shea butter hydrating body lotion. So I'm seeing myself using this one right here. And it says it has coconut oil. I've used shea butter products before. I think it was a lotion, but different kinds of lotion. This one looks like this is new. And then the next, second to the last one is this foaming cleansing gel. So that's how the gel there. That's how the gel there looks like, and I don't know how to read this one properly or correctly. Sis moi, it's me, but I like it because it says here it's made for young, delicate skin. So yes, my skin is delicate. And the last three items we've got right here is by the brand Meyer's Clean Day. These ones right here, these babies, and it's all body wash, but they have different colors because they have different scent. This one right here, this is a lemon scent, and this one right here, it's rainwater, and the last one is the honeysuckle. So very interesting and very cute. I'm not sure if these are the actual sizes, but oh, it says here it's only sample, not for resale. So they've sent sample sizes. So those are the things that we received from Influenster. Now let's proceed to Althea Korea. So again, Influenster is an app wherein you review product, and when you've got a good point right there, then that's the time they're gonna send you another products for another review. Now the next one is Althea Korea. So if you don't know what Althea Korea is, it's a Korean website wherein you can purchase makeup, skincare, and other beauty tools. So what happened here is I got two products worth 30 from Althea Korea because I joined a certain activity and they've credited me for like $30. So the things that I have purchased there are the following. So we've got this one. So it's a NACIFIC natural Pacific real floral toners. I am trying to like let my skin adjust to different kinds of ingredients or toner because sometimes nothing lasts forever and I don't want to rely on a certain brand. So yeah, and what's interesting about this one right here, it's so pretty. It has a floral floating inside, so excited. And the next one that I have purchased is the same brand, NACIFIC Natural Pacific, this one. And this is a PHYTO NIACIN Whitening Essence. You rarely or never see whitening products in their local stores right here, so I'm so glad that I have purchased this one right here, and I am also excited trying this one. since it's summer here, and even though it is really windy, even if it's cold here, but the quality of the sun here is same as the quality of the sun in Dubai or in the Philippines. It could still burn you. So that's why I am so excited using this one, because I think I look lighter on camera, but in person I am tan, and I like it like that. I don't want it to look even darker than my skin right now. I hope that makes sense. So, and also, what's good about this purchase is they've included a face mask. It's the same brand, Natural Pacific, and it's a phyto whitening mask pack. So this one right here, and I'm not really into mask because I don't know, it feels sticky and I don't like it when this part right here gets wet, but for the sake of beauty, then yeah, I'm gonna do my best to use all of the masks that I have before it hits to the expiry date. Now let's proceed to my June 2019 Boxycharm. So this is my box right here. It's already open, and June's theme is getaway. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I've checked what I've received already, because I think this arrived first week or second week of the month, and it's already end of the month. So I know what's inside. Now let's jump right into it. So the first one, it's stated right here, it's a Tarte Pro Glow Cheek Palette, and these retails for $45. So this is the Balm. I'm happy that I received this one right here. I've been eyeing on this but never purchased. So glad that Boxycharm included this one. And imagine, I only paid $23. Yeah, they've increased because of tax. So I only paid $23, but this one right here, but this one right here it's already $45. So oh. So look at that. So it's so pretty, and the shades are just perfect for my skin tone. So that's it. That's $45. So the second one, hold on. So the second one we've got right here is this Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence. So they've included another. I received a product from No PoreBlem Touch and Soul before, but this one is a different one because I think this is a skincare or primer. I don't know. Calendula Officinalis Flower Extract. I haven't opened this one right here, and also I haven't tried it yet. So this is the product right here. It's pretty decent, and this retails for $23. So far, the first time or the product that I received from Touch and Soul from the previous box was good. So I am very hopeful that that one is also good. Now let's proceed to another product. We've got a lemonade lip gloss by the brand Tonic Cosmetics. So I don't know if I will be using this, but this is how the packaging here looks like. Tonic. It's so washed out. I don't know. So that's how there, and then the shade is this one. I am not into lip gloss, but yeah, this is a very good brand, and I know her. So I'm still happy, even though I'm not seeing myself reaching for this one right here, and that retails for $17. Now let's proceed to the second to the last. So we've got the brand Skin&Co Roma Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. So another skincare. I have a lot of skincare already, and this one right here retails for $25. So yeah, it's a whipped cleansing cream made in Italy. Interesting. And last but not the least that we've got right here it's considered as one, but these are 3 face masks. And these face masks here, it's by the brand Haruharu Wonder Maqui, Berry Anti-Oxidant Mask Trio Pack. And this one right here retails for $9. So I've got another sheet mask. So I've got a lot of skincare like it's like for free. Majority of my skincare is I got it for free, so I'm so thankful. And I don't know how much the entire box cost, but hurry, hold on, let me calculate it for you. So overall, the value of the entire box is $119. I only paid $23. So those are the things that I got in my June 2019 Boxycharm box. So I would say this month is really worth it, and I'm happy by just receiving this one right here alone, this Tarte palette. It's the bomb. Now let's proceed to the last box that I just got yesterday. I was so surprised that I got included in their PR list, and that this is by the brand Pixi. How to say this? Pixi Beauty. So this is the box right here, and I got so excited on my way out. I just saw this and opened it in the car. So they've sent this container right here, and basically I got five items. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I got 5 items. And okay, so it says here we've got brighten and cleanse, we've got tone and energize, and treat and protect, moisturize and energize, and boost and restore. So it's a set of skincare. So the first one we've got right here is this one, Pixi Vitamin C Juice Cleanser. So that's how the product there looks like, and they are really handy. I'm not sure if they are full sizes, but I assume they are because I've seen people posting products from Pixi and all of them are full sizes. Now we'll proceed. The next one I've got right here is this Pixi Vitamin C Toner. So that one right there, this is 3.4 fluid ounces. The next one we've got right here is this it's vitamin C serum, this one right here, and like all of the things that they've sent are whitening. I like it. So this one, so have I mentioned it? I'm gonna be posting all of the links of the products that I have mentioned in my description box. I've never failed doing that, as well as I'm gonna be posting these babies on my Instagram. So if you're not following me, then go check my Instagram, and yeah, all of my social media links will be posted on my description box. So next one we've got right here is this vitamin C lotion, and yeah, it's still brightening product, this one right here. So I guess this is really intended for like Asian people, because they know that Asians are so into whitening products. So this one right here. And the last item that I've got is this balm. So vitamin C Caviar balm. And this is how the product here looks like. So don't tell me that this is also whitening for my lips. So yeah, brightening lip on mask. Huh? This is for the face mask. I don't know, but I still have to read all of this. Yeah, vitamin mask. I thought it's for the lips, but it's for your face. So those are the things that I received from Pixi Beauty, and I'm so grateful that they've included me in this month's PR list. So yeah, thank you so much. So those are the things that I received in this month, and ever since I started, I'm always grateful, because every time I've started uploading videos on my YouTube and letting it grow, as well as trying my very best to grow my Instagram, and that's the time I received messages from these people or from these companies. So regardless if it's a one-time transaction or every month transaction, just like Althea Korea, still I am really grateful that I am receiving this stuff for free. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, then please don't forget to click the like button, and if you're not subscribed, then please do subscribe. If you have any questions, like any questions under the sun, then you could just leave your questions in the comment box section, and if you're interested in one of those products that I've shown, or if you're curious in those products that I have shown, then all of the links will be posted on my description box. So that's it, guys. See you on my next post. I love you. Bye.